Good morning, everybody. Michael No here with Best Price Rental. Want to show you our new addition to the family. So check this out. A few things that we offer: we have a smooth bucket, a tooth bucket, a post hole digger, and a set of forks. This is very easy to operate. The controls on your left run the machine forward, backwards, left or right. The controls on your right raise and lower the bucket and dump the bucket. You can rent this machine for $199 a day, or we have our weekend special, so give us a shout, $5.99 rent.